Welcome to 10 Tips for Organizing Your Workspace for Success. In this guide, we'll explore effective strategies to optimize your workspace, enhancing productivity and focus. 1. Declutter regularly. Keep your workspace tidy. Decluttering regularly. Remove unnecessary items, paperwork, and supplies that can accumulate over time. A clutter-free environment promotes mental clarity and focus. 2. Designate specific zones. Divide your workspace into zones based on tasks or activities. Have a designated area for computer work, a separate space for paperwork, and perhaps a creative corner. This helps create a sense of order and efficiency. 3. Invest in storage solutions. Use storage solutions like shelves, drawers, and bins to keep everything organized. Invest in organizers that suit your needs, whether it's for cables, stationery, or office supplies. Utilize vertical space to maximize storage. 4. Establish a filing system. Create a system for organizing digital and physical documents. Label folders, use color coding, or employ software tools to ensure easy retrieval of important information. A well-organized filing system saves time and reduces stress. 5. Keep frequently used items accessible. Arrange frequently used items within arm's reach to minimize distractions and increase efficiency. This includes pens, notebooks, reference materials, and any tools specific to your work. 6. Personalize thoughtfully. Personalize your workspace with items that inspire and motivate you. However, be mindful not to overdo it. Too much personalization can lead to distraction. Choose a few meaningful items that contribute positively to your work environment. 7. Prioritize ergonomics. Ensure your workspace is ergonomically friendly to promote comfort and productivity. Invest in a comfortable chair, position your monitor at eye level, and arrange your desk to minimize strain on your body. A well-set-up workspace can contribute to long-term health and focus. 8. Establish a daily routine. Develop a daily routine for organizing and preparing your workspace. This can include a few minutes at the beginning and end of each day to tidy up, organize tasks, and set goals. Consistency in your routine fosters a sense of order. 9. Digital organization. Organize your digital workspace just as you would your physical one. Create folders for different projects, use desktop organizers, and regularly clean up your computer files. A clutter-free digital environment enhances overall efficiency. 10. Review and adapt. Periodically review your organizational system and make adjustments as needed. As your work evolves, so should your workspace. Be open to refining your organization strategies to better suit your changing needs and priorities.